This has been fully color graded with a free AI tool in Adobe Premiere. It's called Imagen Video and it currently is in its free beta version, so make sure to grab it with the link down below as long as you can. So today I will show you in 3 simple steps how AI will not steal your color grading job, it will support you in it. It's available for Mac OS and Windows, and I would say let's get right into it. Step 1 starts in Adobe Premiere, and I'm so excited to show you this tool because it's just such a time saver. So what you can see is I have a variety of footage. This right here is DJI Mavic 4 Pro footage from El Salvador. Some shot on the zoom lens, some shot on the normal lens. Then we've got footage of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. We've got a few clips that also are vertical, just to try it. So we've got DJI Mini 5 Pro clips here, and we also got Lumix S1 Mark II clips. And with all these clips, I'm going to show you how it works. And our goal is to let AI color grade all of them for free. So the Mavic 4 Pro footage is in D-Log, Mini 5 Pro is D-Log M, and Panasonic Lumix is V-Log. So let's see how that works. We got the first thing that we need, a Premiere Pro project with all the clips that we want to color grade. So let's save the project and close it. The next step is to open up Imagen Video. As you can see, it's currently in beta, and this is how it works. What we have to do first is just create a project, and then we can choose a type for our project. I mainly choose documentary because for me, it's mainly travel footage. I go for documentary, but you've got lots of options. So I choose documentary, and now there are 2 options and they differ a lot. First of all, we could let AI color grade all of our clips. Without giving any input, we can just go here and then choosing a style, a predefined preset or style that we like. And then AI, aka Imagen Video, will color correct and color grade your videos automatically. But what we can do too is use our own LUTs. And I've linked down below some free LUTs for you as well, so you can try this feature together with me. We've got a technical LUTs, which transform D-Log M, for example, to Rec 709. So this is cool if you use flat color profiles. And then we can also add a creative LUT, which is the creative style that we want to have. Or we can actually do both. And that's what I do most of the time. And that's what we're going to go through. And first step is to choose a project. I mainly use this browse button, and then I can just choose the project we just opened up. This one right here. And what you can see now are all the sequences that we have in this project. I just select the sequence that I want to color grade, go to next, and now we can just upload our technical LUTs first. As I told you before, there's a link down in the description where you can find conversion LUTs for free, which are the technical LUTs. And I've already uploaded them, as you can see, Mavic 4 Pro, Mini 4 Pro, and V-Log. You can just drag and drop yours or the ones that you've downloaded. So as you remember, we used Mavic 4 Pro, we used the Mini 5 or 4 Pro, doesn't matter, and V-Log. So we need all of these technical LUTs. And then we just press upload LUTs. Now the next step is to tell Imagen Video, okay, which clips do need which technical LUTs. Of course, it doesn't know if this video has been shot on V-Log, D-Log, or D-Log M. So it's best to sort your footage in your Windows Explorer or Mac OS Finder by camera. That's what I do. You see all the clips have automatically been listed here by its folder. I have the Lumix and I can just assign V-Log. I have the Mavic 4 Pro, I can assign Mavic 4 Pro. And I have Mini 5 Pro, so I can assign the Mini 4 Pro D-Log M LUT. Doesn't matter. Let's assign these LUTs. But if you had footage in the normal color profile, you can just press no LUT. Assign LUTs. And now it's time to get the creative LUT, which I've linked down below as well. So you can get one free LUT, which is called my signature LUT, and is part of a bundle of 6 LUTs that I've created and used for the past at least 2 years on all my video projects, and they just work every time. So let's go for the signature LUT, which I gave you for free. And all we have to do now is press correct color and wait. Now, what does Imagen Video do? Imagen Video is going to upload your footage, as you can see here, but not the full resolution. Don't worry, it won't take hours. It will use the Adobe Media Encoder to compress your files and then upload them. It will still take some time. So first, it's going to upload your footage of the project, and then it's going to color correct and color grade them. And when that's finished, you will get either an email or you can find it also here under projects. And that's step 3. Okay, now it's time to review what the AI color grade looks like. I've already AI color graded this project before. It's the same one, so we can just open it. All you have to do is press review in Premiere and then just again review in Premiere, and it will tell you, did it work? It worked. Download completed. We've got the 24 color corrected clips. You don't really download new video files. Fortunately, you just get the Lumetri color automatically implemented into your Premiere Pro project in every clip. So let's just have a look at it. I just opened up the project and this is the first clip. I mean, just look at it. Look at the before and after. It's like so close to how I would have color graded this clip. My color grading process without Imagen Video would have looked like this. I would have needed one adjustment layer with a color correction and the conversion LUT on it, and I would have needed a second adjustment layer with the creative LUT on it. And the biggest effort here would of course be the color correction. And that's what Imagen just did on its own. Now I would still fine tune it, but that's super simple. So what Imagen did is, as you can see on a basic correction, you've got the input LUT Imagen edit. So to maintain the full quality of your video, I would not recommend you to do any exposure adjustments or color correction fine tuning here. I would recommend you to just add another Lumetri color effect, and in your effect settings, we just put the new one above the old one. So we've just got like one Lumetri color effect before your actual AI color grading. And that's where you can slightly adjust our color grading. And that's now all I have to do. Just fine tune it. And then this is the before and after, just with AI and a bit of fine tuning. The reason probably why the clip looked like this is because Imagen has its wedding background. So wedding photos often love intense whites and more bright colors. So maybe that's even your style, but I preferred a bit darker. If you want to see more videos and tools like this, make sure to follow and hit a like if you like it. Now let's go through some more clips. This one, for example, you can definitely tell the colors are so much better than before. Like again, look at this. It's a huge difference. But again, just the only thing I would do here is adjust the, let me check, adjust the shadows for sure, the highlights, and maybe even add some more saturation, just like this. Then we've got the surfers. I got a really cool shot of one guy here, this one. Again, I'm super impressed. This is AI. We just gave them the technical LUTs and the creative LUTs, and it color corrected it by itself. And applying the creative LUT while still making sure the color correction also fits that creative LUT. It's just impressive. This one looks beautiful as well. Like, look at the before and after. It's like day and night. Here as well, like, I mean, look at that. Here it worked like extremely good. That looks so filmic with that signature LUT. What I would always do is just add some more shadows to make it more contrastful. Maybe even a bit more saturation. I mean, the colors in here, it's just, you can tell I'm impressed. So even this clip, wait for it, when the sun is gone, like for every project where you have like just 15 or 30 minutes where you give Imagen time to upload and color correct the clips, this is insane. And still keep in mind that this is a beta version, and I would probably recommend personally to put the LUT to the creative LUT. So we have still the basic corrections to make our own adjustments, and then it's just a super simple workflow. And if you don't have any creative LUTs, you don't have to worry. You can just use one of their styles that already are built into Imagen, and that's it. How do you like this feature? Especially in big projects, I see so much potential. I could just overnight upload the videos to Imagen, they will color grade it, like this is the software, and then in the next morning I have a color graded project. And to be honest, color grading and sorting out the best clips are the two parts that take the most time of my editing workflow. And I can still define my own style by putting my creative LUT there. So right now you can just use it for free with the link down below. Happy editing.